I just wanted to chat with you about centerpieces. My favorite centerpiece to do is a tray. So it can be a round tray, a rectangle tray, a square tray, putting a candle on it. So it could be any of your favorite scents, and it can be done for seasonal. So you could do a Christmas candle that's red. In the spring, you could do something that's pink. And then in addition to the tray, you can do a plant. So the plant could be Christmas themed or it could be spring themed. And then one other decorative item. So it could be a little bird, it could be a little figurine, it could be anything, like just any little trinkety fun object. This is a super easy way to just incorporate simple things around your house, spruce up your seasonal decor, and make things festive. Hope you follow me on Emily Elizabeth Home. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, emilyelizabethhome.com.